I'm going to tell you a story about the Roger Bannister effect and how it applies to hospital costs. Roger Bannister was the first person who broke the 4-minute mile. And prior to that, nobody thought it was possible. They actually thought humans were physically incapable of breaking the 4-minute mile. And so Roger broke it. And once he did, all of a sudden there was a new belief system that runners had that they knew they could break the 4-minute mile, and subsequently 4, and then 10, and then, as we know, more people broke that, and then eventually Herb Elliott went on to reduce that to 3.5 minutes. And the reason why I'm sharing this story with you is because we tell our hospitals, you can save 15% or more on your costs. And we hear a lot, well, there's not a whole lot of money left in pricing. We've got to look at other areas. And that's true, you have to look at other areas. But I'm here to tell you that you have a 15% pricing reduction opportunity in your cost. And once we work with clients and we start achieving those new price points, they have a different belief system, and they get engaged and excited, and now they have a new way of thinking. So if you'd like to talk to me about how to get to that 15% or more mark, I'd love to hear from you.